Ready to unlock a creative powerhouse and supercharge your projects? Let's dive into the incredible advantages of an Adobe Creative Cloud subscription and how you can leverage it to the fullest. First, what exactly do you get? The Creative Cloud is your all-access pass to a vast library of industry-leading applications like Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, and many more. Imagine having every tool you need right at your fingertips. With your subscription, you get the latest versions of these apps, plus regular updates, ensuring you're always working with the cutting-edge tools and features. The Creative Cloud desktop app also serves as your central hub. From here, you can easily download, install, and update your apps. You can also find tutorials, manage your files, and access your cloud storage. Cloud storage is one of the biggest perks. You can securely store your projects on Adobe's cloud servers, accessible from any device. This means you can start working on a project at home, continue on the go, and collaborate seamlessly with others. Imagine avoiding those frustrating lost file moments. Access anytime, anywhere. Collaboration is key. Creative Cloud facilitates easy sharing of projects, allowing you to get feedback and work with teams in real time. Plus, you get access to Adobe Fonts, a massive library of high-quality fonts, and Adobe Stock, which offers stock photos, videos, and templates. This ensures you can always find creative assets that take your projects to the next level. Utilizing your Creative Cloud subscription means creating high-quality work faster, improving your workflow, and collaborating smoothly. That is the secret to unlocking your creative potential. So, start exploring, experimenting, and creating amazing content. #Adobe benefits #Creative Cloud.